Sailing and Scaling 2023. We're here with Stephanie Schlichter from Invest Barrie, and I have Dan Ruby, who's Business Development and Investment Manager of Durham Region. Both regions are on Lake Simcoe, which is great. That's where we're located here at the Barrie Yacht Club today. And it's really cool that both organizations are developing economic change and investment in our Lake Simcoe area. And it just so happens today that we're going to be sailing and scaling. This morning we had this cool meeting called Recon, and it was all about this regional ecosystem clustering, and all it is around what are the elements that a sort of region needs in terms of capital for funding, education, mentoring, networking, all the elements that you might need to develop new startups, and also, some of the manufacturing companies that are doing 10, 20 million a year. How do we scale those and grow those so there is greater GDP and more jobs? And I have Stephanie from Invest Barrie here. And Steph, want to comment on some of those elements?
Yeah, thanks, Chris. I think there's a lot that goes into the equation and having a robust ecosystem that really is conducive to driving economic growth. The Recon session that you spoke to this morning brought together those key partners that drive that value into the system. So to your point, the city is at a point of high growth. We're going from approximately 150,000 to 250,000 people in the next less than 10 years, and we will be 300,000 by 2051. So that means people, that means jobs, and you need to have all the elements supporting the entrepreneur piece. So Georgian College, Lakehead University, from the research and innovation perspective, where they're speaking how they support industry, entrepreneurs in commercializing, doing some of that product testing, product development, in addition to OCE, who's there talking about some of the funding mechanisms that drive that, and then all of the support organizations that wrap around Henry Bernick Entrepreneurship Center, the Small Business Center, all there to really understand the needs of companies, understand the gaps, and find the resources, bring in the connections to make sure that companies are getting what they need as they need it.